Hello everybody, Artistic Flair here, back with a drawing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this adorable penguin. Let's begin. We're going to start by drawing a circle and adding in guidelines. An oval for the body. Adding the flippers. Detailing the stomach area, the eyes, now we're going to include something that's kind of like the Mickey Mouse face design, and we're going to add that onto our penguin, and then the beak. Detailing the penguin with a bit of extra hair on top. The crown-shaped feet. A scarf? Because, you know, it's still pretty cold outside, so why not give the penguin a little scarf? And I'm actually going to change to flipper pose. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, stay creative!